Okay, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing of my new Sony 200 to 600mm lens for Sony Emount. I've wanted this for a while, so here's a quick unboxing what it's like. So we got the front, sides, nothing on the bottom, on the end, nothing fancy, just the box. So let's see what's inside. So straight away we've got a strap, Sony strap, camera bag, have a look at this later, and then some instructions. Yep, quite nice. Let's see what else we have. So lots of cardboard. This looks like the lens, and then we have the lens hood. So quite nicely wrapped, lots of polystyrene. Let's have open of this. Of course, we'll take out the lens cap as well. Have a look at that later. This seems to be it. So here we go. Here's the nice 200mm lens. Or 200 to 600, I should say. So quite nice tripod foot. And our lens hood. So quite nice. Definitely the quality feels there. It's rubberized. Now hold on a sec. So there it is, all assembled. Okay, I'll try the camera bag. So here's the camera bag. This is a solid piece here, so it's going to keep your lens nice, and so it can go like so. So it looks like you can put the camera in the camera bag without, or you can only put it in without the lens hood on. So let's try that. So it would be like so. So that's it there. We got some drawstrings. You can close it up. Nice quality bag. Definitely feels like it's got the quality. We got some instructions as well, just your generic stuff, and a camera strap. So that's it. Hope you like it.